You know, two things really frustrate me when it comes to organizing food storage containers. One is that I often can't find a top to match a bottom, and then second, the ones that I have stacked on top of each other more often than not fall all over the place when I open the drawer. But you know what? I think I might have come up with a solution for both problems.
My plan is to start with a piece of plywood the same size as the drawer bottom. Then attach dowels to form storage compartments for containers of various sizes and shapes. I begin by removing the drawer. Then cut the plywood to size on the table saw. And drop it in for a test fit. Now, part of my plan involves upgrading my storage containers. These caught my interest because the plastic is impregnated with silver nanoparticles that kill bacteria and keep foods fresh longer. After deciding on the arrangement, I trace the shape of each different container onto the plywood base. And then mark the corners. Now I begin drilling holes at each of the corner locations. To make the posts, I'm using the power miter saw and a stop block to cut longer dowels into shorter pieces that are exactly the same length. Now, I simply tap the posts into the holes then set each container in place to check for fit.
Well, I think I solved my problem, or maybe I should say problems. Every lid's got a home, and that's right on top of the base. And no matter how hard I pull this drawer out, these guys aren't going anywhere. Now, this technique works great for plates, pans, or trays, anything that's flat and you want to stack on top of each other in a drawer.